Welcome back. Here we'll go over how to create special characters in text using a downloaded font. I love using the accents at the beginning and ending of names. These hearts are so cute. Let's get started. Go to your favorite website and download a font with special characters. Change the font of your name to the downloaded font. Mine is a Dear Smile. Now delete the first letter of the name. It sounds strange, but bear with me. On your keyboard, hit Command and Space at the same time. This pulls up the Spotlight search. Type in Fontbook. It will bring you to a list of all your computer's fonts, including the ones you've downloaded. Click on your favorite font. Scroll down to see all the special characters you may not have realized were there. Find the letter you need with the accent in front of it. Click on the letter you need and hit Command+C to copy. Go back over to Cricut Design Space. Click on the name. Be sure that your cursor is in front of the name and not in the middle. Type Command+V to paste the character. I just love the way this looks. Now do the same thing as before. Delete the last letter of the name, Command+Space and then Fontbook. Now this time, find the letter you need with the heart at the end. Click on the letter, type Command+C to copy, and head back over to Cricut Design Space. Make sure your cursor is at the end this time and type Command+V to paste. Now enter the second name, move it to where you think it needs to be, and change the font to the same one as the first name. When positioning, be sure to make it look like the heart is starting the name. Delete the last letter of the name and head back over to Fontbook. Find the letter you need with the accent at the end of it. Click on the letter, type Command+C to copy and head back over to Design Space. Type Command+V to paste. Next, you want to make sure that you join the names so that when you cut or draw it with Cricut, it looks seamless. If you take a closer look, you can see that the heart is overlapping the A. Select both names, go to the bottom right-hand side, click Combine and Unite. Now, when you look, the names look seamless. There you have it. I usually create Christmas ornaments or tumblers using this. Click the next video for more tips and tricks. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share this with someone who's on their Cricut journey. Thanks for watching. Let us know what you want to see next.